Hey everyone! So today we're going to play around and we're going to swipe a little bit. I'm going to be using the Aussie Floetrol cell activator though for my swiping, because I do like the way the cells form with that. But we're just going to use a plain white paint base to get it started. I'm just going to get that off the canvas. Doesn't matter if I get the edges because we'll probably pull that paint over the edge. Maybe not. We'll see. Well, I better do the edge. Decisions. So as most of you may have heard, our retreat at the Outer Banks got canceled. So we were all kind of sad, but in a way it's a good thing because we wouldn't have been able to go sightseeing or eat at the restaurants and all that fun stuff. So we're booked for next year. We will have fun next year. So instead, Alan and I are taking a road trip. Alright, let's see. Get this covered up so we don't dry out. So I'm going to be using some funky greens. This is the Deco Art Dark Patina. It's kind of a pretty color, actually. And the Praj Posse Deep Lagoon. The PBO Green Blue Iridescent. Our new Ocean Teal. This was a spring color. I don't have a lot of that in there. And the Praj Posse Gold Rush. And then I'll use the black and pull out. I don't even know if I want to do lines. Let's just get the color down and we'll decide what we want to do from there. So we're going to start with this. And of course this has silicone. So we are going to get additional cells. Let's do the, actually let's do the Pantina. I think this might be a little thinner than my other paints. I've had this mixed up a long time. And then we'll do the Ocean Teal. And I think I'll do the gold next on 2 sides. And then I'll run that PBO zigzagged to give us some color. Alright. So instead of me pouring the black on there, I'm going to be dipping. So I'll show you a little trick with dipping. I'm sure you've already seen it on my channel. I like to pour it on the bottom of a cup, because then I can scrape that and put it back into the container. Let me get these air bubbles out. Alright. So I'm going to I've got different tools here that I'm just going to play around. If I need more paper, I'll go grab some. I think we'll be okay. I can wipe it off. So let's take one. We're going to load it up. I'm just going to go random places. And I probably shouldn't come back across over that canvas because I might trip. So now that you see what I'm doing, I'm going to go ahead and put you into fast mode so you can just watch. It's not bad. I'm loving the colors. There's still a couple of little spots where like the gold is heavy, because I really didn't want the gold to be like a main color. It's just supposed to highlight here and there. Let me get that one more spot there. So this was fun to do. Something different. You know, you start pulling now, you could sit here and do this all day. And then sometimes you might just have too much. One more spot here. I promise I'll leave it alone. I can't leave it alone. Alright, I'll leave it be. I'm really digging these cells. They're kind of cool on the ends. Pretty neat. And that dark patina dries beautiful, so that will be really pretty shimmer in there. But I love it. It's cute. Alright guys, join us on Monday nights, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Ellen and I both paint. We answer questions, joke around, we have a great time. Watch for videos Tuesdays, Thursdays at 2 p.m., Saturdays at noon. Check out my Amazon shop for paint pouring supplies. And also join our group, the Proj Posse with Christina Welch, on Facebook. And check out my other Facebook page, Christina Welch Art. I am on Instagram, Redbubble, everything. The links are all below, tons of links. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.